Welcome to our training on how Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, works. Whether you have a professional or individual selling account, you're eligible to enroll in FBA. You can use FBA to store your products in Amazon's fulfillment centers and let us pick, pack, and ship your FBA orders. We'll also handle returns and provide customer service on your behalf for these orders. With FBA, your items become eligible for Prime shipping, meaning Amazon Prime customers can benefit from free 2-day shipping, and all Amazon customers can get free shipping on eligible orders. This is a great way to maximize exposure and sales in the Amazon store. Here's how FBA works. You'll first register for FBA and decide which products you'd like to send to a fulfillment center through the Send to Amazon workflow. To register, start by hovering over the gear icon in the top right corner of Seller Central. Select Account Info and then Manage on the Seller Account Information page. You'll see the option to register for FBA or other tools and programs you may be eligible for, and can review a list of the ones you've already signed up for. Note that many, but not all, products are eligible for FBA, even if you're approved to fulfill orders for these products yourself. We recommend starting by searching and reviewing the following help pages in Seller Central to learn more. Dangerous Goods Identification Guide, Restricted Products, FBA Product Restrictions, and Categories and Products that require approval. Once you've determined which products you'd like to send to Amazon and checked that they're eligible, you'll create your FBA shipment. This includes prepping, labeling, and packing your products, printing box labels, and if you're sending pallet shipments, confirming carrier and pallet information. Note that proper preparation, packaging, and labeling can ensure your products get transported safely and securely to the fulfillment center. This will help Amazon make your items available to customers more quickly. For more information on how to create shipments with Send to Amazon, search and review the Create Shipments with Send to Amazon help page. When you're ready, send your shipment off to one or more of Amazon's fulfillment centers as needed. After a fulfillment center receives your products, customers can begin purchasing your FBA offers in the Amazon store. We'll pack and ship these orders on your behalf and handle both customer service and returns for them. To put it simply, you sell and Amazon handles the rest. If a customer returns an item, they'll send it back to the fulfillment center that shipped their order, and it will be subject to the FBA customer returns policy. The fulfillment center will evaluate the items and return those still in sellable condition to your inventory. The FBA returns processing fee will apply to categories for which Amazon offers free return shipping. For more information, search for and review the Returns Processing Fee help page in Seller Central. To make the most of FBA, it's important to understand two other fees: fulfillment and monthly inventory storage fees. You'll pay fulfillment fees for each unit that's picked, packed, and shipped to customers from an Amazon fulfillment center. These costs vary depending on each item's size, weight, and category. You'll also pay monthly inventory storage fees, which vary depending on the average daily volume your inventory occupies in fulfillment centers, the size tiers of your products, and the time of year. We recommend using the FBA Revenue Calculator to estimate these and other FBA costs. To access this tool, search for Revenue Calculator in Seller Central. On the Revenue Calculator page, you can search and select different products, view fulfillment fee and monthly inventory storage fee estimates, and compare what you might pay when using your own fulfillment method versus using FBA. You can also use reporting tools on your inventory dashboard to help forecast and manage your FBA inventory. To get there, start by selecting the menu icon in the top left corner of Seller Central. Hover over Inventory and select Manage FBA Inventory. Here, you'll have access to a number of reports that can help you maintain a balanced inventory level, avoid long-term storage fees, and keep your most popular products in stock. You'll see additional FBA inventory tools and resources listed at the top of the page. For more related trainings, search for FBA in Seller University. You'll learn about topics such as how to send your products to an Amazon fulfillment center, convert existing inventory to FBA, or manage your FBA inventory. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store!